For a marketing and vision presentation, we have a guest speaker from Evergreen State of Washington, Star Master Chi Young Wolf. She will share her vision at Atomy and teach us about Atomy's marketing plan.
I came to the United States 1981 as an immigrant. I had a various jobs in the United States: office secretary, administrator, real estate agent, and a restaurant owner. In year 2006, I purchased a good running breakfast and lunch restaurant with an investment of over $100,000. However, my restaurant did not do very well. It was always on the water no matter what I did. I tried everything, but in the end, I had to close the restaurant just so I could stop losing more money. One day, I received a phone call from a Korean lady that I didn't really have an acquaintance with. When I met her, she introduced me to Atomy Herbal Shampoo, and I became an Atomy Free member. To be honest, I was very skeptical about the product. However, I had used every different kind of brand shampoo, including the expensive hair salon product in the past. But my hair that itches all the time never disappeared. It was embarrassing talking to people and scratching my hair at the same time. But Atomy shampoo stood up. It was amazing. Herbal smell, texture, and cleansing process in the shower was excellent. So I had to call this lady who sold me a shampoo right away. I asked her, "Do you have any other product besides hair care?" And she introduced me the skincare set on the phone. I did not hesitate to order, just because the price was irresistible. My daughter was a makeup artist in a major department store at the time, sold high-end cosmetics, and they were like 3 or 4 times higher than the price at Atomy's product. And their product was not that great. About after 2 weeks, my sponsor gave me a DVD to watch. It was Atomy Company introduction by CEO Hangil Park. After watching the DVD, I was so moved. I watched it repeatedly until 3 a.m. I was fascinated to learn the technology behind the Hemorrhoid and skincare product. What struck me the most was that I was able to create residual income through this. I never knew this type of marketing ever existed in this world. And to think I could use this platform to make a living? My thoughts were complex. Because I only shared the product to other people, I did not do any labor nor work as a 9-to-5 job. At first, I only registered 8 people to start. In the beginning, it was not easy to build a business, but a year later, I became earning $2,000 monthly income as an auto sales master. When I received my first bonus check from Atomy, I treasured it so much I carried it in my handbag for over 2 weeks. Thank you, Atomy, for creating such an income system like this, so that someone like me as a failed restaurant owner can be also successful. Now I became a Leaders Club member last year and a proud Star Master this year. I am earning over average $12,000 a month. Do you know only 6% of women makes over $100,000 annual income in the United States? And 86% of the women from them are network builder. Recently, I went to Korea for vacation for 3 months and still got paid the whole time when I was there. I am so pleased with the Atomy compensation plan that I don't have to worry about my future anymore. All other jobs that I had before did not give me a freedom nor finance or time. But Atomy provides all of that. Ladies and gentlemen, the world is rapidly changing. The pandemic is still going on, and fourth industrial revolution had started. And I even heard that Google developed Wi-Fi body clothes to wear. All these technology of developments are taking away our manual jobs. Aren't you worried? What if your job is not stable? What if you are not sure where your life is going on right now? There are 5 different reasons we should investigate why Atomy business for all of us. Number 1 reason is Atomy is an online business. Do you know how many people are looking for what to buy every day on the internet? Last year, 2020, consumers spent $861 billion in the United States. That is up an incredible 44%, the highest annual U.S. e-commerce growth in at least 2 decades. Consumers worldwide spend nearly $4.29 trillion, up from almost $3.46 trillion prior year. There are many people are looking for and offering products and service online. Why? Online shopping is the most attractive platform in this era. Let's get educated and change our attitude towards the world trend. Otherwise, you will be left alone. What are you going to offer to those hungry online consumers today? Do you have a product? Do you have a brand or a company to represent? I just want to let you know, Atomy is an online shopping company. Secondly, why we should investigate Atomy is the best business opportunity is we have a no startup cost. The company provides free membership, no mandatory purchases, no website fee, no annual fee. That's right, no fee whatsoever. Do you remember I said early on how much money I invested to get the restaurant business? It's not only me, but there are also many people who desire to be entrepreneurs and spend a lot of money to start up their business. For example, even if they want to open a small coffee shop, they will need to find the location, remodel the space, inventory, and the equipment. It'll cost easily $100,000. But Atomy provides all of these things for you free. You surely don't need all of that. No need for physical location, nor the store, nor the employees. And you can be your own boss. All you have to do is to change your brand to Atomy's product and diligently share with the neighbors and friends. That's it. How simple and easy is that? Thirdly, Atomy offers global business opportunity to everyone as a member. Our company already opened 20 different global branches. This is only a tip of the iceberg because we are continuously opening new global branches at a fast rate. Eventually, one day, people around the world will talk about how good is Atomy Propolis toothpaste everywhere you go. Fourth reason why we should investigate Atomy is a good business is Atomy creates residual income. This is also known as passive income, which is one of the most attractive ways to make a living for supplement your income. To make residual income, you need to find a service or product that you can offer to customers in a way that creates income systematically without any limitation. Working as a nurse or a computer engineer for a salary are 2 different examples of active income. In contrast, residual income is income from an investment that earns over the maximum rate of return repeatedly. Example, my restaurant business was not a residual income. If you're earning an income from working for someone else, it's not also residual income. But Atomy is a residual income. The 5th reason is Atomy company provides all of us all the income to be inherited up to 3 generations. We brought our children into this world. it is important that we can provide financial stability to our children so they can be prosperous even after our death. Our lovely children, our lovely children and our beautiful grandchildren will thank you for the rest of their lives. So now I am going to share how Atomy Compensation Program can be profitable to you. Once you become a free member by sharing very affordable, high-quality daily necessity product to yourself, to your neighbors, you can start receiving a cash back. Nevertheless, when you establish 2 different organizations in your pipeline, the residual income starts from $60 per day and can earn up to about $1,000 $200 daily. The very first important level of residual income is auto sales master. The real meaning behind the auto sales master is producing 2.5 million PV on your left and right side of organization twice a month. This means 90% of building of Atomy business is nearly finished. It took me 11 months to achieve that position. Now your job is to manage and train those business partners to be just like you. This can be done by working as a team rather than just selling the products. If you are focusing on selling, you are only a salesperson. But we build our business as a networkers to create residual income for us to benefit the rest of our lives. Atomy is the last destination in the business reaching an imperial master. Atomy produced 10 different individuals who have already reached that level. They all receive $1 million cash as their bonus. Are you ready to receive $1 million? You are? Great! Then I truly encourage for you to write a life scenario to begin your journey. If you are here for the first time, you might think, what is a life scenario? Let me tell you what is a life scenario. A life scenario is a description of a future based on goals or planned action. It is a way of making intentions visible in a detailed way. Use this activity with groups that are setting goals or stymied as they try to find solutions to specific plans. If you have not done it, please talk to your sponsors. They can help you. After you filled out this scenario sincerely, carry that life scenario book with you in your handbag or briefcase to just remind yourself daily you now have a hope for you and your family in this rapidly changing world. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a great challenge and enormous opportunity here with Atomy. Are you ready to take it on and make it yours? Let us carry on. Let us rewrite the history of global network marketing together. Let us all meet at the top. Thank you all for listening.
Thank you, Star Master Chi Young Wolf. Thank you for the great and informational presentation. Please give her another round of applause.